Guys, check this out. It's a cicada. Now, I'm not going to get too close to it because I don't want to invade its space. But look at it. Such a fascinating creature. Look at the way it moves. That is just so cool. And the question I'd like to ask you guys about this creature is, what would happen if like either me or one of you touches this thing? Like, would they hurt you? If not, at least admire how cool this creature looks. I'll be including some pictures and what I found out about this guy from Google. I'll be including that in this picture slideshow I'm going to add to this. That was just my friend that said, "Smile, you're on camera." He's a funny guy. But look how amazing this creature looks. Guys, I just think this creature is just amazing. Sure, they might not be the creature you want to mess with, but I just love looking at these things. Look at this. Such a beautiful creature. Some might think it's disgusting or something, but some might even say they hate them. But I don't hate these things. I don't think they're disgusting. I find them to be very cool and very interesting.